What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Fat Rock, enjoying the Memorial Weekend. I got a new pickup today in the mail. Just want to, show you guys what's really good. So, open this bad boy up. There's sun out there, man. It's hot out here in Miami. These came from California. Got them in the mail today. Let me know what you guys think. Pretty excited about this. As you see, the OG top. Stickers. Always gotta check the stickers. Stickers, you see it. And today we have a new pickup. Are these phones? Another pair of the classic phones. Dead stock. There we go, guys. So, another pickup. FOAMPOSITE Pros, University Blue. Size 11, dead stock. Picked these up today. So, you guys let me know what you think. And there we have it, guys. So, Memorial Weekend. These came in the mail today. Another pair of heat. Alright, guys. Seen all the other videos. Rate, subscribe. Give me some love. Show me some love. Got some more coming your way. Fat Rock signing out.